Hello, Michael here with a quick video how to find the area of compound shapes. Now, to do this successfully, you want to first of all set yourself up for success, and secondly, always go step by step. Let's see what I mean by that, shall we? Okay, I've got this shape here, and I see straight away that I don't know the length of this side. Well, it must be 3 plus 5 plus 4. So that's 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 4 is 12 centimetre. And I'm going to make my life easy by splitting it into two rectangles that way, and I'm going to call this A1. A stands for area, so that's area 1 and area 2. Now then, I'm nearly set up for success. I want to do all my thinking clearly. I've got to calculate the area of the shape, so I'm going to write a little formula. I'm going to write AT, that means the total area, equals A1 plus A2. And you notice how I've spread it out to give myself plenty of room. Well, area 1 here is a rectangle, so the area is 12 centimetre multiplied by 4. So that's 12 multiplied by 4. And area 2 is 5 centimetre by 5. So I've got to add 5 times 5. Now let's add them up. 12 times 4, 48. And I've got to add 25. And if you need your calculator, that's okay. If you don't, that's okay. But if you add these two together, the answer comes to 73. And now remember to put in the units, centimetre squared. So there we are. Do you notice, in the first place, I set myself up for success, and then I went step by step. Now let's have a look at another problem. Now this one is rather more complicated. Okay, so here's my diagram. I don't know how long this side is, it's just X. And it tells me the area of the compound shape is 106. Okay, so I know the total area, but I don't know the value of this number here, this X, so I've got to work it out. So again, I'm going to split this into two parts. I'll call this A1 and I'll call this A2. And I know that the total area is 106. So I can write myself down a little formula. 106, that's the total area, equals A1 plus A2. Now then, A1, here it is 7 centimetres by 10 centimetre, so the area is 7 times 10. Area 2 is here, and that's 4 multiplied by X. So I'm just going to write it like that. It's 4, and I'm going to write 4X like that. And that's equal to 106. Now then, I don't know what this is, but I do know that these two added together make 106. So let's work this one out. So that's 70 plus 4 times x equals 106. Let's write it again there if you like. So now I can say, well, if I take 70 away from this side and 70 away from that side, if you want to use your calculator you can, or you can do it in your head. If I take 70 away, that disappears. This one becomes 36. And that's equal to 4 times x. Right now, if I know that 36 is 4 times x, I can find out what x is by dividing both of them by 4. So I can say that x is equal to 36 divided by 4. And if you need to use your calculator, that's okay. And you'll get the answer of 9. And of course, remember to put your units in. It's 9 centimetre. So I've done what the question asked me to do. I've worked out the size of x. So now I know that that's 9 centimetre. And if I want to do a quick check, I can. That's 70, add 36, 106. So yes, that's right. Do you notice again how I set myself up for success and I've worked through it step by step? And that is how smart mathematicians work. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've got some more idea now about how to set yourself up for success and how to work neatly and logically. Okay, bye for now. See you next time.